Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Exciting news today as we've opened up 10 more spots, already 9 now of the monthly subscription. You will get an automated system with buying and selling opportunities, a manual system with buying and selling opportunities as well for many altcoins, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and of course personal guidance and many more benefits. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. I have also the link for the Telegram group chat. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. We are going to do a non-biased and an honest review for MATIC. Okay, so right now, where are we? We stopped at the 1.64. If you draw your fib from this spot to this top on the 4-hour frame on TradingView, then you get some nice support levels. And this looked like a healthy correction. Okay, it didn't look like we are going all the way down. So you shouldn't worry about that. Right now, we keep getting some higher low pattern on the 4-hour frame, and we are looking forward to go to the 1.90, which is a very strong resistance point as we mentioned before in the MATIC video. Okay, so we need to test it first to get close above the 1.90. Then the next target on the mid-term is the 2.25. okay, yes, we can go there, but first we have to test the 1.90, and I think we can manage to go there, and I will explain why afterwards and in the price analysis, of course. Let's go a little bit to the MACD. On the MACD now, we are about to have a bearish cross, but in overall it doesn't look like we will go all the way down. Okay, even if we have a bearish cross, it doesn't look like we are going to go all the way down for MATIC on the 4-hour frame. Okay, let's go now to the RSI and the risk metrics. You can see that the STOCH RSI is having almost a double bottom, and we might be going down from here or upwards. If we go down, it's all okay. When we are having the stochastic RSI on an impulsive wave in an oversold situation, it is a great buying opportunity there. Okay, but right now we might be correcting just a little bit more or going sideways. It is all good, do not worry about that. Let's go to see the RSI. Higher low pattern on the RSI, as you can see right here, a higher low pattern, and eventually what we want to see is go again above the 70. We need this pattern to get going for MATIC in order to keep pushing upwards, to keep having the impulsive wave we want to see. And for the commodity channel index, you can see that we are on a pattern right here on a good spot. We do not want to go all the way down below the minus 100 again for now. Okay, we want to ride the 20-day EMA and go all the way upwards for MATIC on the 4-hour frame. Let's go to the daily frame. On the SSL hybrid, we had a buying opportunity, not a selling opportunity yet. We are now above this red line and made it a blue line for the SSL hybrid, so it is looking like we found our own way right now. And the volume here increased so much on 4th September. Now it is decreasing a little bit for MATIC. In overall, it is looking good, do not worry about that. The stochastic RSI now is not in an overbought situation. As you can see, it is going upwards, not in an overbought situation yet. So on the daily frame, yes, we can go even higher. You can see the RSI too. We do not want to see a pattern with lower highs. Okay, we do not want to see that. We want eventually to go above the 70 for now and go all the way above the 70 for MATIC USDT chart. Okay, and the MACD right now had a bullish recross. What we hope for is to go above the previous high, above this blue line right here. If we go to the weekly frame, let's go to the weekly frame a little bit. We want to see some important things right there. Okay, if we go to the weekly frame, then yes, we were in an oversold situation. Now we are going all the way upwards on the weekly frame and we are looking fine, but at the same time it is not sure that we can make it to the previous all-time high for MATIC for now. It is looking good though that we are going forward to make some higher lows here, and especially on the RSI on the weekly frame. What we hope to do is to get even above the 70 again. If we do that, if we have a pattern like that, then yes, it is very likely that we can go above the previous all-time high on the weekly frame, therefore on the midterm. Okay, right now we are looking good on the weekly frame, not a bearish candlestick pattern for now. On the stochastic RSI we can grow more, as you can see here, and it is looking nice. It is looking nice right now. We can grow more on the weekly frame. Let's go to MATIC Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour frame. You can see that we have almost, actually we had a hammer candle right here. We didn't have the upper shadow of this candlestick is a little bit above the body, so it is not a clear hammer candle. However, it is looking good. We found some huge buying pressure, and we have some price targets. For example, here the first one, the 0.4033, 0.403386, and you can see the 34. Okay, we have some price targets. We want the MATIC to be strong against Bitcoin and not to consolidate more. Okay, because if we are strong against Bitcoin and Bitcoin goes up, then we are for sure to go up as well. Okay, so we want a strong MATIC Bitcoin chart. Let's go on the daily frame to see something very, very important. I will use the Fibonacci channel. You can see here we want one bottom around there, so we want two bottoms and one top. Okay, and the two bottoms are this one as well, starting more on 22nd July, around there on 20 July, two bottoms, and the top we found on 21st. Okay, you can see that every time we go up, we find huge sell pressure on this line right here that we found the first sell pressure, on this line again that we found the first sell pressure. So you can see we are each time riding and getting into a resistance level at the one line of the Fibonacci channel. Okay, Fibonacci channel includes the time, so we like to use the Fibonacci channel or the Ganfan tools or anything that includes the time, so we know a little bit when we are going upwards, when we are going downwards, where are we going to find resistance. Okay, when we know the when. With the Fibonacci retracements, we do not know the when. Okay, so let's go to the MATIC USDT chart here. I do believe that we can still go to the 1.90. Some people were scared yesterday that we had a huge correction, it's dropping all the way. The market sometimes needs to cool off a little bit. Okay, it is nothing to worry about, and you should not be checking the charts all the day. This is an advice that I was having 3 or 4 years before. I was checking the charts all day, but right now I am not. Okay, so definitely you should be doing the same and do not worry about it. Bitcoin is looking very, very good for now, and it will help. A strong Bitcoin will help other altcoins move up too. Just now we have a Bitcoin dominance, other altcoins are stable a little bit. We have the Bitcoin going up right now. The altcoins will follow eventually. Okay, so Ethereum, I believe it is in the best position right there, as I've told multiple times in previous videos, and I do believe it can go to the 5,000 Tether USD. So MATIC right here looks very, very good, looks very, very nice. I believe we can go to the 1.90, still we can go to the 1.90 with some selling orders right there if you want to be more safe, 1.85, 1.87 and the 1.90, but I think they will play a minimal role, and I think by the time we pass the 180 Tether USD, we are going to the 1.90, okay, and from there, we need to test it. It is a very strong resistance level, and as I told you in the previous video, the reason that it is a very strong resistance level is because it is, if you draw your Fibonacci retracement for MATIC in the USDT chart from the previous high to this low right here, you can see the previous high right there on 18th May to the previous low on 20 July, you can see that it is the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. So yes, it is a very, very strong resistance level, and you should be careful by the time we reach the 1.90, but I believe we can reach and go there. I do believe we can go to the 1.90. If you ask me, can we go higher than 2.70 in the short term? I would tell you no for now, but in the long run, yes, I do believe that we can go above the 2.70. Okay, it's just that we need a strong Bitcoin right now, and of course we need MATIC to outperform more Bitcoin because it is struggling a little bit for now, as you can see, to outperform Bitcoin, and therefore maybe the stochastic RSI needs to cool off a little bit in an oversold situation, then we can go. Okay, so for now we are still having the 1.90. We do not have any bearish signals right there. You see how much we corrected till we get upwards again for MATIC, so do not worry about this small correction right here. We corrected even more before to get up high into the 1.80. okay, and I think yes, we can go to the 1.90 as well. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription. Few spots left and we opened up because of the high demand. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos, and have a fantastic day wherever you are. Bye.